The air filter sits right underneath this box. This is the air intake box. There's a few bolts that we have to remove. It is a T20 Torx to be able to get these out.
Okay.
Now in some cases you might have to remove the clamp that's right here to be able to slide this off, but it looks like we're going to be able to reach the air filter without having to remove it completely. Old air filter, you can see that it's dirty. Now before we replace this with the brand new one, we're going to go ahead and vacuum up the bottom part of the air intake box because it's nice and dirty and dusty. We're going to clean that up and then we're going to install the brand new filter. Okay, we're going to install the new filter and then everything's going to go exactly the same way, just in the opposite order. So you put the air filter in after you clean out the air box, and then you go ahead and run down the screws that hold down the battery box. Oh.
Okay.
When you run these down, you don't have to hit them hard, just nice and gently, or else you will strip the box that's made out of plastic at the bottom. Just make sure you put them all back in. And that is how you replace an air filter on a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas.